Hello, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes English Story Every Day. Today we are going to learn listening English through story. The Brave Fighter Pilot. My name is Jack. I am a fighter pilot. I fly a fast and strong jet. My job is to protect my country. One morning, I woke up early. The sun was rising and the sky was orange. I put on my uniform and went to the airbase. When I arrived, my commander was waiting for me. He looked serious and said, "Jack, we have an important mission. Enemy planes are coming. We must stop them." I nodded. I knew this was my duty. I ran to my jet with my team. We checked our planes, put on our helmets, and got ready to fly. A mechanic looked at me and said, "Be careful out there." I smiled and gave him a thumbs up. Then I climbed into my jet. The engine roared and my jet moved forward. In seconds, I was in the sky. The air was cool and the world looked so small below me. I felt strong and ready. Suddenly, my radar beeped. The enemy planes were near. My team and I flew together in formation. I looked ahead and saw black dots in the distance. The dots became bigger and bigger. The enemy was here. My heart started to beat fast. I held the controls tightly. The enemy jets were fast and dangerous. They flew toward us quickly. "They are coming," my captain shouted. The battle had begun. The enemy planes fired at us. Bright bullets flashed in the air. I moved my jet left and right to avoid them. I needed to stay calm and focus. I looked for a target. One enemy jet was flying in front of me. I pressed a button. My jet fired a missile. It flew fast and hit the enemy plane. Boom! The plane started falling. I had won my first fight, but the battle was not over. More enemy jets surrounded us. My friends and I helped each other. I saw an enemy plane chasing my friend Tom. He tried to escape, but the enemy was too fast. "Help me," he said on the radio. I turned my jet and flew behind the enemy. I aimed and fired. The enemy plane was hit and fell from the sky. "Thanks, Jack," Tom said. "You're welcome," I replied. The battle continued for a long time. We fought hard and worked as a team. One by one, the enemy planes were defeated. After a long fight, they started to retreat. We had won. I felt tired, but I was happy. We returned to the airbase safely. When we landed, my commander smiled. "Good job, Jack. You were brave today." I smiled back. I knew I had done my duty. I looked at my jet. It was scratched and burned, but it was still strong, just like me. I was proud to be a fighter pilot. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.